You're about to get a behind the scenes look at our pantry closet. Rich just built this amazing pantry door, which looks awesome. But inside the pantry, it hasn't changed much since we moved in about 10 years ago. So I will give you a look inside and you can see the embarrassing before and then watch the transformation as we paint it, install some sharp lap on the walls, and turn it into my dream closet. So here it is, our pantry, the before. The walls are painted yellow because we painted them yellow when we moved into the house more than 10 years ago now. Got a crate on the bottom, some big bottles. I took these canisters off my counter and put them in here so I could have more counter space. But as you can see, these metal IKEA shelves are just in here because we had them. They're not very efficient. And these pink shelves are here because they were custom shelves that Rich made for our daughter's closet doors to hold her books. And when she switched rooms, she didn't need them anymore. So I put them here in the side of the closet so we could have more shelving. But all of this shelving is going to be redone and hopefully it will all be much more efficient. You can see these shelves on these metal shelves are super far apart and it just feels like a big waste of space. And all this upper space here isn't even being used. So I am armed with my yardstick, a pencil, and a regular old Sharpie, and I am going to continue drawing some lines back here inside the pantry so that we can give it the appearance of shiplap without having to go buy a bunch of wood, cut it down, paint again. It's just gonna take me an hour or two. I'll have this closet all done and ready to put up shelving, and then it will be in the back behind the shelves and it'll give the illusion of shiplap without being the real thing. So let's get back to it. Our pantry is finally finished. We've got all the shelves in, we've got my faux shiplap in the back, and we've got some amazing vintage containers here at the top and at the bottom, and some other glass organizers with little vintage labels to keep everything super organized. So let's start at the bottom. Here we have some old peach crates that we use for breads and pastas and chips at the bottom. Then as we come up, we have one taller shelf, and we use that to hold our big glass canisters that have all of our dry goods in them. And then they move on up to half-gallon glass storage. We use these enamel bins to hold fruits and vegetables. We also have some baskets on the side to hold additional fruits that don't need to go in the refrigerator. That is keeping all of those things off our dining room table and off our kitchen counter and leaving room in the refrigerator. Then we have these other taller enamel bins that we put things like little snack bars and other things in that we don't want to have to look at, but stores them all so well. And then at the very top, we have my milk glass bowls, cake stands, and all kinds of things. And if you'll come take a closer look in here, you can see that we continued the shelving around to the sides, so we didn't waste any space. The closet was kind of deep. So Rich ripped down the boards along the side, and we cut them here at the angle so nobody would get poked when they come in the closet. But it added an extra 6 shelves on each side. And between all this amazing new storage and the barn door that Rich built for the door of the pantry, not only do we have more room in our pantry closet, but we have room to walk down the hallway without walking into bifold doors that are sticking out into the walkway. So thanks for watching our video on our pantry. I hope you love all the vintage touches that we added. I hope you subscribe to our channel and check back again soon to see what other projects we're up to.